Hello, I am Thorsten Fischer, President and owner of Krieg Fischer. Every biogas project is different. In every single case, Krieg Fischer investigates different biogas techniques and finds a tailor-made solution for the client and his specific input substrate. Now please let me show you how we carry out a project. Every biogas plant has got different input substrates. Here we have an example with 26,000 tons per year. How should that be processed? Most biogas plants look like this one. It is cheap in investment, but the operational costs are high. Our solution for this example is a high digester tank. The base of every planning is the so-called energy calculation and the mass balance. The energy calculation delivers information about the size of the digester tank and the size of the gas engine. Well, now we know how big the digester tank and the gas engine should be. The mass balance shows us that in our example, the substrate in the digester tank is too viscous. That would mean for our example, the agitator may break. That's not how it works. One step back. How are the substrates delivered? Small truck, big truck, solid or liquid substrates? The size and amount of the reception pits depends on that. The capacity of the reception pit should be large enough. Solid waste is treated and diluted with process water. A buffer tank provides capacity even for public holidays. From the buffer tank, the substrate is continuously pumped into the digester tank. The digester is followed by a secondary digester tank with a gas hold valve. The gas engine generates heat and electricity from the biogas produced. Production and consumption of the biogas have to be coordinated. Too much biogas means losses. Too less biogas causes the stop of the gas engine. That's how it should be. The digestate is separated. The liquid will be recycled as process water. Only with the process water recycling we get a functional system. Now we have the concept design for this biogas plant. The agitator is moving. But how does it all fit together in a site layout? We place the tanks on the base of a real map. In doing so, the required piping has to be taken into account. That's not working. The pipes are too long. That's not working as well. The pipes are not placed well. Due to the central pump room, we are able to connect all tanks perfectly. The design of the plant will be shown in a process flow diagram. The process flow diagram is the base of everything. With the planning progress, details will be added and the result is a P&I diagram. And how much does that actually cost? We have to admit, we can only make a rough estimation for your country at this moment. First, we have to find a technically optimal and least expensive provider for every component. We divide a biogas plant in about 10 to 15 different components. For each single component, we request offers from about 5 providers. Let's take the digester tank as an example. The providers have submitted their offers. We evaluate these offers. One is not able to offer like requested. One is too expensive. One has a too long delivery time. Finally, 2 providers will be invited to a bidder meeting. We perform bidder meetings for every important component. In the bidder meeting, we discuss all technical and financial details, the timetable and all battery limits. We compare the then revised offers. In this example, provider 4 gets the order. With the offers, the original cost assessment gradually and ongoing gets more specific. Okay, finally, we confirm the sum. During construction, we coordinate the different suppliers, take care of the timetable and pay attention to punctuality. Commissioning is more than just to turn on an engine. It may take 3 to 4 months. In this time, a competent support is absolutely important. As well, we take care of the complete documentation for your plant. Of course, we will explain you everything you need to know about operating your biogas plant, and we support you in your daily operation. Now it's up to you. Everything is prepared for your success.